Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how you can add tokens to CoolWallet app. To add a token to your CoolWallet, first of all open the CoolWallet application on your device. From the dashboard, go ahead and tap on the Manage button right next to Crypto Earn NFT. Now inside Manage Wallet, tap the plus button at the top right corner. Now, you can enter the name of the coin or token you are trying to search in the search bar. After typing it down, you will be able to see the token in the token list. Once you find the token, tap on the box right in front of the token and click on Add to Wallet. After adding the token, it will appear in the wallet's crypto page and you will then be able to view your balance and transact with it. So that is how you can easily add and manage tokens in your CoolWallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next